ऑनलाइन ब्रांड बना लीजिए तो डेफिनेटली दैट विल फर्स्ट 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 super chat ever of the entire channel. Thank you, Manav Madan. Thank you for all the support. English OP in the chat. That is the first super chat. Thank you so much, Manav. Really appreciate it. Manav Madan runs a podcast. उनका podcast है, you should definitely check it out if you've not checked it out. He interviews designers and all. बहुत मस्त interviews हैं. Half the time I go and listen to it. बहुत रेयरली ऐसा होता है कि डिज़ाइन कंटेंट मेकर दूसरे डिज़ाइन कंटेंट मेकर का कंटेंट कंज्यूम करें, बिकॉज हम लोग पक जाते हैं खुद एक बना के एक ही टॉपिक के ऊपर.
Being a teacher is tiring.
बट मानव मदान के पॉडकास्ट में मज़ा आता है, सो डेफिनेटली चेक दैट आउट. देन वी हैव 101 रुपए का शगन देते हुए मानव मदान कहते हैं, शगन इन सुपर चैट, डिडंट नो दिस वाज योर फर्स्ट सुपर चैट. यस इट वाज. अब शगन हो चुका है, श्री गणेश हो चुका है. आज मानव मदान इज़ वेरी काइंड. थैंक यू सो मच मानव, थैंक यू सो मच. बाकी लोग भी वैसे सुपर चैट भेज सकते हैं. हाँ. पुनीत चावला, विनोद की विनोदता को हम भी प्रणाम करते हैं. विनोद की विनोदता को देखते हुए हडोर की हडोरियत याद आती है. बस मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा विनोद के बारे में. Thank you for joining in and thank you for the super chat. Thank you so much. बाकी लोग भी वैसे सुपर चैट भेज सकते हैं. हाँ. Damn, Siddharth looks younger. Thank you, Dhaval. I know I can lose age like that. And why isn't super chat showing up on this one? Whatever. All I need to do is just chuck and do this. And then we have Anurag Folio saying haircut OP. Thank you so much. Puneet Gupta says, hey sir. Hello Puneet, good to see you here. Teja says how to improve design communication skill. We'll come to that. I am Swarnil hi Sid, I'm a YouTuber plus Salesforce developer in Accenture. From last 2 years I hate development but love designing. How can I switch to UI UX design? Swarnil is asking and he has given us monies to answer that, so we gotta answer that because that's how capitalism works, folks.
And many of them are so inert, so hopelessly dependent on
capitalism
that they will fight to protect it.
So basically you start learning by UI UX design by learning with the tool, right? You get the tool out of the way so you know what you can produce. You reproduce multiple things. And this is the first video you can watch on my channel to get you started in detail, these very steps I'm talking about. And then you move on to this specific video that I made. If you prefer, it's available both in English and English. So if you prefer the English version, then this is the video. And if you prefer the English version, then this is the video, which goes in detailed steps. What you're going to do is try to after you've done copying a bunch of designs to get the skill set in place, whatever you can imagine, you can put it out there. Then you're going to get started by making case studies like the ones we are reviewing. Okay, you have my attention. Understanding of video editing can help me in UI UX. If you go towards motion design, yes, it can help you. If you go towards motion design, check out Saptarishi's channel. Saptarishi is like, I doubt like I need to tell you, he's way more popular than anyone in design industry, but yeah, for sure. Check out Sapta's channel and see if that makes sense. When I saw him 6 months back in an interview, totally clean shaved, I thought he's younger than me. Alrighty. Siddharth has superpowers. Yes, Dhaval, I have superpowers. I do indeed have superpowers. So that's why you gotta hit that like button. Hit that like button, folks. Hit that like button. You gotta hit it. Smash it, hit it, whichever one you prefer, or press it if you don't want to be violent. Just press it. Nice look, Shubham says. Thank you. Good places to start with UX and UI. Chaitanya Ram says, good places. What do you mean by places? My channel is a good place. You can check out the thing. And then there are other YouTubers who have more elaborate and specific, very, very specific, case studies. Arey bhai, koi Swarnil ko roko. Somebody stop Swarnil. He's gonna spend all the money tonight.
बहुत पैसा है मेरे पास.
I came here in Bangalore as a job seeker and helping job seeker to get job, but now I want somebody who can help me switching my career to UI UX design. I'm Swarnil says. So There are a ton of people that can help you out. You can first start learning yourself and make a list of items that you think you're missing out on. On that, you can get a specific course, etc. Also, I think Abhinav and a bunch of other people run design master classes. You can join those as well, and yeah, you can, if that doesn't work out, then there are formal courses. If that doesn't work out, you can get in college. But again, like proof of work, what works, like the portfolios we are reviewing. Spending money here is better than spending on institutes. Yes, but like spend it like on, like, you know, like a focused manner, like a focused step by step manner. Like, this is the value I'm getting, and this is how much money I'm gonna spend. But thank you so much for showing all the love, Swanil. Really, really appreciate it. And hit that like button. How new UI UX design can make case study. That is also covered. You basically pick a problem statement and you try to address it. And then you document that process and turn that into case study. What problem did you pick up? Why did you pick it up? Basically the problem statement, the insights, the key insights, and how did you get them, your main results, the main design, and any results you have after that. Vimarsh Tiwari says, thank you for the super chat. I'm Swanil. Thanks a ton, and thank you for the super chat, Vimarsh. Vimarsh says, first ever super chat here on YouTube. Wow, thank you so much. So lucky to be the first channel you sent. Kudos, Siddharth. Thank you. I spilled water, folks. I spilled water. I'm Swanil. Last question. IDF design course are good for me. If you can mostly find that information, whatever is available on IDF for free online. I wouldn't spend money on IDF unless there's something very specific I'm looking for from IDF. I would suggest try to get, if you really want to spend money, books are there, and courses where you get to get access to a teacher who can, give you feedback. That is invaluable. So spending money there is much better than IDF, in my opinion. But if there's very specific course of theirs which really excites you and you haven't been able to find information on those topics, first thing you do is let me know those topics so I can make those videos. Second thing, then you can buy that IDF course as well, because I'm going to take a while to make those videos. I'm someone says, I'm a YouTuber. I know value of real artists who are real and add value when they subscribe live. Please ignore in chats and DMs. So I thought, why not appreciate you? Thank you so much, I'm Sonal. I really appreciate it. As a YouTuber, you know, right now I'm sitting here looking at the super chats and I'm like, wow, today I'm floored. But koi roko Swaril ko.